Imagine a cozy moment as you lift a steaming cup of spiced tea and frothy milk drink that fills your senses with warmth and comfort. The inviting aroma and gentle steam signal the start of a delightful experience that promises to transform your daily ritual into an indulgent escape. Welcome to a journey that celebrates a beverage crafted from simple ingredients yet enriched with deep tradition and care. In this video, we explore the magic behind the spiced tea and frothy milk drink and reveal how it can become a centerpiece in your wellness routine. Many of us face the challenge of balancing busy schedules with moments of relaxation. In a world where time slips away unnoticed, finding a pause to care for oneself is increasingly difficult. The spiced tea and frothy milk drink offers a solution that combines taste, nourishment, and comfort. For those seeking a natural way to unwind and rejuvenate, this beverage stands as a gentle reminder to slow down and savor the moment. It brings together the warmth of spices and the creamy texture of milk in a way that nurtures both body and soul. Let us now delve into the process of creating this extraordinary drink. Begin by selecting your favorite tea as the base, ensuring it provides a robust flavor that will carry the spices well. Add a measured amount of spices such as cinnamon, ginger, and cloves to infuse the brew with depth and character. Warm your chosen milk gently and froth it using a whisk or a frother until you achieve a light, airy texture. Slowly combine the aromatic tea with the silky milk, observing as the two elements blend harmoniously. The process is both an art and a meditation, inviting you to appreciate each step from preparation to the final pour. This mindful approach elevates the simple act of making tea into a cherished ritual that offers a brief retreat from the pressures of everyday life. The true moment of revelation occurs as you take your first sip. The warmth of the spices melts perfectly with the delicate creaminess of the frothy milk, creating a burst of flavor that energizes and soothes simultaneously. In that instant, the drink becomes more than a refreshment. It transforms into a moment of pure satisfaction and self-care that lifts your spirits and brightens your day. In summary, the spiced tea and frothy milk drink is a celebration of flavor, tradition, and mindful living. Its carefully balanced ingredients deliver not only a remarkable taste, but also a comforting experience that stands out in our fast-paced world. If you enjoyed this exploration into the art of creating a spiced tea and frothy milk drink, please subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your support encourages us to continue bringing creative and soothing recipes to your screen.